If I showed you a $7 side hustle that can make money online by just sharing a link, and you don't need experience, product, or tech skills, would you give me a few minutes and listen to me? Most online side hustles fail because they're too expensive or too complicated. My name is Dr. Lundi. I'm a healthcare professional, and like many people, I started looking for online income as a plan for retirement and a life with more freedom to travel. I've been affiliate marketing for over 5 years. I've seen the ups and downs, learned from different mentors, tested what actually worked. What worked back in 2020 doesn't work in the same way today. With all the new technology, the systems I'm about to show you is what is working now, and it starts with just $7. As I said, most affiliate programs are a joke. You sell a $100 product, you wait 30 days, and they send you a measly $10. But I found an outlier, this system that I'm using now. There's a system called OLSP, where the entry point is just $7. And when you share it, you keep 100% of the $7. Not 50, not a tiny cut, all of it. Today I'm showing you why the $7 decision is the best move you'll make in 2026. But don't let the $7 price tag fool you. Most platforms would charge you $500 to $1,000 for the training that tucked inside the system. We're talking deep dive into affiliate marketing, email marketing, and the most important one, social media marketing. I've been through dozens of courses, but the strategies inside OLSP are different. I've learned how to actually monetize that attention. Look, we are only a few days into 2026, and I've already scaled my social media presence at much faster rate than I ever expected. This isn't just theory. It's a roadmap that actually works in the current situation. The 2026 smart move. If you're still trying to grind out 10% commissions on high friction products, you're playing a losing game. This $7 decision is hands down the smartest move you can make this year. You get the world-class training to build your brand, and you get 100% commission offer that is the easiest yes you will ever show someone. The why behind the struggle. Let's look at the numbers, because maths don't lie. Most people are struggling to make their first dollar online for one simple reason: the friction. Most business opportunities have a buy-in of $97 or $997 or even $1,997 or more. When you try to sell that as a beginner, you have to be a smart closer to get someone to drop that grand. But $7, that's pocket change, and it's a coffee and a donut. There's no barrier to entry to $7. You aren't just selling a product, you're offering an exit ramp from the struggle. Let's talk about your pocket. In a standard affiliate setup, if you sell something for $7, you might make 70 pence. You need thousands of sales just to pay your water bill. With 100% commission, share the $7 with 10 people and you made $70 is in your pocket. If you share it with 100 people, which is possible, you have $700 in your pocket. Who can't afford $7 for world level training? What if you could reach 1,000 people among the millions looking for an opportunity like this? I'm in the retirement age and I'm looking at retirees who are struggling. And there's thousands of them that would love to be in my position. So if you have 1,000 times $7, you make $7,000 a month. It's not so bad, is it? And it doesn't stop there. There isn't any expiration date. When you join the system and start learning, your commission opportunities are available for life. Here's the kicker. Most people miss this kicker. This isn't a monthly subscription. This is a once-off payment. This isn't one of those software deals where you hit with a big everyday 30-day just keep your account active. It is not an annual fee. You pay once off $7 and you get a community, you get training, you get 100% commission forever. You are building your brand and your business in less than a cost of a coffee or a donut. But why? You might be sitting there wondering, okay, what's the catch? Why would the creator, Wayne Crowe, just give away 100% of the money? How does he make any profit? Is it fair? Yeah, the question is fair. In a world full of gurus trying to squeeze every last cent out of you, this seems like a total outlier move. But he has a very specific, very smart reason why he does this. Wayne has been at this for years. Wayne has been in the game, I think 15 years, and he knows the cold, hard truth. The hardest part of marketing isn't scaling. It's getting your very first win. Most people quit because they spend $500 on a course and 3 months later they haven't made a dime. By giving you the full $7 commission, Wayne is essentially helping you fund your own business. He's putting the win in your hands immediately, so you have the confidence and the capital to keep going. The long-term ecosystem. He isn't looking for a quick $7 from you. He's building an ecosystem. He wins when you win and decide to stay in the platform to learn the high-level skills like advanced email marketing, CEO, and the list building. He is betting on your success. He knows that if he helps you make your first $70, $700 or $7,000, you're going to trust the system and grow with it. It's a rare win-win when the creator actually invests in the user's success first. And I can say this is true. I can see why Wayne is doing this. Let's put this into perspective. Think about what $7 actually buys you these days. In 2026, $7 barely covers a fancy latte at Starbucks or a single value meal burger. You consume it, it's gone in 10 minutes, and you have nothing to show for it the next day. But inside the system, the same $7 is working for you while you sleep. It's not an expense, it's an asset and a buy-in. When you make that one-time $7 payment, you aren't just signing up. You are unlocking 3 massive pillars of value. Your 100% commission license. This is the first what you get. This is essentially your own digital franchise. You now have a high converting professional system that you can share to keep 100% of front-end profit. You're getting a business for less than the price of a movie ticket. The next pillar, the elite training. You aren't just buying a link and being told good luck. You get the Facebook 101 and the traffic generation training. Like I mentioned earlier, this is an exact training I used to scale my brand in just the first few days of this year. It teaches you how to turn social media into a printing press. The third pillar, the community of thousands. You get access to a group of 150,000 people who are actually doing this. You can see their wins, ask questions, and realize that you aren't alone in this world. It works, and the networking and talking to each other is amazing. I've been there, done that, and I know when I see something that's truly valuable. Most people spend $7 a day on things that keep them broke. I'm asking you, spend $7 once on something that can finally set you free. If you see the logic here, the 100% commissions, the world-class training in 2026, brand building secrets, then the decision you will make is the easiest one for 2026 by saying yes. Bonuses. The easiest yes in the industry. Since the entry point is only $7, you don't have to be a master salesman to show someone the logic of a $7 one-time payment. You don't have to have tech experience or know how to code, building a funnel or build websites. I want to make this even easier for you. I want to give you a reason to join my Link to Freedom team. If you want to start earning 100% commissions today, head to the link in the description to get signed up. For creating your free account to explore the system, I'm going to give you 2 massive getting started gifts. Gift number 1 is 2,000 Facebook posts. Stop wondering what to write. These are ready-made prompts to spark engagement and energy on your profile. The second gift is 500 free video downloads. These are 500 high-quality reels you can upload to Canva, remix and post to grow your followers on autopilot. I'm using it and it's awesome. Exclusive bonus 1. I'm Dr. Lindy with exclusive bonuses. When you take that $7 leap and upgrade to the mega link to unlock those 100% commissions, that's when my exclusive bonus kicks in. These are only for those who join my Link to Freedom team. You get invited to our exclusive Facebook chat group. You'll be networking with entrepreneurs, generating income daily, who are actually helping each other to win. It's only a few days in 2026. 2 weeks, nearly 3. You can keep doing what you've been doing, or you can grab a $7 lifetime commission license and all of the bonuses that do the heavy lifting for you. Message me right now or get signed up at my link. Join the team and let's get those $7 notifications hitting your phone. I hope I'll see you inside of the training.